Hi everybody, it's Russell here. EPS, earnings per share, key to driving prices higher. I'm going to show you some real life examples. Just you wait till you see one or two of the stocks. Very interesting. Now, before we get going here, please note our disclaimer statement. There are our license numbers, and in addition, please note general advice only. Cannot take into account your personal financial circumstances. You need to speak to an advisor for personal advice. And as always, past performance is no guarantee of future results. With that said, I'm going to jump straight in here, cut straight to the chase. So in here, it's a little bit small to see, but I'll just draw your attention on it. So in VectorVest, I've just simply done a scan. I've said, find me the earnings per share that have increased by more than 800% or equal to 800% over the last 520 weeks. All right, so the last 10 years effectively. And VectorVest, I ran the search. Now I'm just bringing back the top 5. There's many more you can find here. I'm not going to bring up more because I just want to simply concentrate on 5 as an example here. Now this EPS I'm referring to, I'm going to graph the first one here. This EPS I'm referring to is a 12-month leading forecast on earnings. All right, it's proprietary to VectorVest. Your broker won't agree with it. Thomson Reuters won't have the same numbers, because we take into account historical, current, and then we build in forecast. Okay. Well, your broker may very well agree with the analysis being done, but they won't have those numbers. Okay. So just a word of caution on that. It's a 12-month leading forecast in earnings. And here is how it works. When the forecasted earnings take off like they do here, guess what happens to the share price? Share price takes off. So the idea being, what if you can go and find some superb earnings profiles? Now, I like what happened here in recent times, but it's far too volatile here for me. And as you can see, if I put on the price, here the earnings didn't really go anywhere. Here the share price was sort of sliding. Earnings take off, share price takes off. Well, let's look at the next one here. Well, a big rocket up here. It sort of bounced a lot, and then a pull back, and then in recent times here, superb. But I don't know about you. I'm a bit more conservative. I want a longer, smoother time frame. Let's move on. Aha. Look at this. Pro Medicus. Beautiful set of earnings. Smooth left to right. Up it keeps going. Share price has gone up many times over. You can see here a bit of a pullback. This was interesting. Despite the pullback in the market, earnings never faltered. Surprise, surprise. Up comes the share price again. So if you can find those long-term consistent earning profiles, it bodes well. And I'll just cover one more here. Hub 24, look at that. Beautiful set of earnings over the years, the 12-month leading forecast in earnings. Look at the share price. Share price has gone from what, 470 odd all the way up to 80 odd dollars. That's how you do it using VectorVest. Use the 12-month leading forecast in earnings. Find some of the best left to right earnings profiles, and you're putting yourself in a superb position to make money in the share market. We hope you get a lot out of the short presentation. Until next time, bye for now.